Welcome back to the Davis at Home and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today is my first day going back to work and I am nervous going back, but I feel good. I'm going to get the kids ready for school and then I am going to head over to work and see what's up out there. I wanted to share with you some of the stuff that I ordered on Black Friday. I will be unboxing some of the stuff, so I wanted to share that with you and whatnot. So come and have the day with me. I'm about to make breakfast for the kids, so yeah. I keep my distance. Here we are with several things that I wanted to share with you of what I got for Black Friday. First thing I'm going to share with you is this Estee Lauder gift thing. I tossed the box, but look at this. It came full set of stuff. Everything is full sized for $85 if you buy something worth $85 or more. So yeah, these are really cool. I think I got this for free, but yeah, that I believe this is still ongoing throughout the holiday season, so make sure you grab it. My favorite is the what do you call it, the Advanced Night Repair. I absolutely love this. I've noticed a lot of people talking about how my skin has improved since. I've actually noticed that very minimal breakouts, smoother skin. I don't have makeup on now and it's all thanks to this thing. Another thing that I got on Black Friday, I'm trying to remember where the other thing is. This is one thing that I got. Now this is the Royal Queens collection. It's a really nice robe. This is the first time I've seen it, but I've seen it around and they had a 50% off, so I decided to grab mine. And she put a little cute note in there. Extended gratitude to every latitude. Enjoy 50% off your next order. That's nice. Oh, and she gave me a set of earrings. This is really cute. Move from there. So, yeah, let me show you the robe. Ooh. I got the pink one. So it's a feathered robe with some crystals. I can't wait to wear it. So I love it. I will link it down below if you're interested. One thing that I ordered also was from Janie and Jack. Their stuff are so pricey, but I was able to get it all discounted. I think I have the receipts over here, but I got some stuff from for Gabby. So Typically they're like $50 and more, and I was able to get them for like $17. But look at this really cute sweater that I got. I also went to Primark, so I got this denim, this jeans from there. This is also from Primark. This really cute skirt set is also from Primark in New Jersey. That's not in Ohio. And I love Primark. That's actually my sister-in-law's favorite store. I got this also from Primark, the little jazzy.
I love it.
I'm sure you do. I got this poncho. So cute. It's a little big for her, but I think she'll grow into it. I got one when she was younger. This is a size 10 and she's only 7. Are you 7 or 8? 7. So I know it's gonna be big, but I wanted her to kind of grow into it.
Mommy, I wore something that was for a 10-year-old.
Okay. This is also a sweater that she's got a leather skirt that I want her to wear it with this holiday season. I think she'll like that. And then I got this shirt for her. She can match it with anything. I think this is a Primark outfit. This is a Primark cardigan kind of. Yeah, I think these are Primarks. Primark. So that is the next thing that I got. Ooh, you got me something. What is it?
I did this.
Oh, it's so pretty. What is this? A sun?
No. It's like these so I was going to draw a snowflake, but then I just messed up. So it's like water splashing right here.
Pretty cool. Thank you.
I brought one for everyone, even Sarah.
Oh, cool. Alright. I got some stuff from Zara. Also, these are gifts, so I'm not going to share it because I don't know. Actually, the people that they might not even watch this video. So, and then some shoes. But Zara was having some pretty decent sales. One thing I'm super excited to share with you. So this is the viral stepper. Oh my gosh. It was like 50% off or so during the Black Friday sale. So I went ahead and got it. I don't know. I guess I have to read the instructions, but it comes with, it's kind of heavy. It comes with the resistance bands. And I'm excited to just be cooking in the kitchen and stepping on these stepper. I did order some stuff from other stores that I'm waiting for them to arrive. So when they arrive, I will do a video to show everything. But these so far, and then I got a few Bath and Body Works refills also. So you all know I'm obsessed with those refills. So I got that as well. But yeah, when the other things come, I will share those with you as well. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you ordered. I would love to hear from you all. And thank you so much for watching. Until I see you on the next vlog. Bye!